If you want to play Battlefield 6 game and you don't have Nvidia or AMD graphics card and you are using Intel Arc B580 graphics card, and if you are getting the driver error before launching the Battlefield 6 game, then you need to download the correct drivers for your Intel Arc graphics card. So for that we will go to our browser, and here we will type the name of our graphics card, Intel Arc B580 drivers. And you can see this is the website intel.com, Intel Arc B580 graphics. So this is the graphics card for which we want to download the graphics driver. This is the version that we are currently using, as we are using the Windows, so we will select that. If you are using Linux or any other operating system, you can use this one, Ubuntu. But as we are using the Windows, so we need this graphics driver. We will click on this download button, and it's ported for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, it's downloaded. Now we will open this folder, and here we will double click on this setup file. It's extracting all the files from the setup. So once it's installed, then the driver issue for the Battlefield 6 game should be fixed now. And you can simply install this driver by clicking on next and install, and click on yes button, and it will automatically install the latest Intel graphics driver for you, and then you can launch the game without any issue.